tell me what your goals are as you're reading today.
Well, I'm looking at some cause and effects of the weather.
Okay.
So we're looking at dangers. The book is set up in sections.
Okay, so you were thinking about how the text was put together, and what section are you in right now?
I'm in weather extremes.
All right, do you mind reading just a little bit for me so I can listen in?
Floods occur when too much rain forces streams, rivers, and lakes to overflow. After excessive rain or snow melt, rivers and streams steadily rise along their banks until the weather finds a weak spot and breaks through. The flash flood, however, can happen in a matter of minutes. Flash floods occur when heavy rain falls on areas of hard, dry ground. Streams, rivers, and creeks fill up fast until the water bursts from the beds.
Okay, so as you're reading that and you're thinking about your mental model, just that section there, how is that text going?
Well, it goes back to the cause and effects,
Okay.
and also how it's affecting the area too. It says it fills up fast, and then the water bursts from the bed. So
Okay, so that's that cause and effect, because as the floods come in, this is what happens. And
Yeah, and in the picture.
And the illustrations are kind of showing you those outcomes, aren't they, right? So if you were going to take a sticky note and draw kind of how that text was going, what would your drawing look like?
probably an overflowing pond or ditch
Okay.
going into a yard.
So what causes that when you think about the relationship? So here the floods occur when too much rain, right? Just
So
the
probably a
overflow.
cloud of rain.
Okay. So you could draw an illustration of the relationship between the cause and effect. As you're reading and you're thinking, because this is an interesting book, this Dangerous Weather book, because the writer has chosen to use lots of text features, right? And so when we're reading it in chunks, is it possible that this piece could be compare and contrast, this piece could be main idea and details? So as you read in each piece, and then think about the whole thing, right? The whole entire thing. Is it all organized the same way? What do you think?
I don't think it's necessarily organized the same way. Some of them have charts to
Okay.
portray the information. Some of them are paragraphs, and then others are just kind of being portrayed through illustrations.
So as a nonfiction writer yourself, because you guys are going to be working on that a little bit, you might think about how you might use this same mentor text to work in out your own writing. Okay, thank you so much. Keep reading. You're doing great today.
Thank you.